What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I have something completely else for you. It is still related to affiliate marketing, so do not be worried. But I've been getting a lot of questions about people who are interested in affiliate marketing, but the other side of the spectrum, actually the jobs that are available for them within certain companies. And one of my good friends reached out to me. Jobs in Digital Marketing is that new platform where you can look for specific jobs regarding affiliate marketing. What you will see is you will see traffic networks, you will see mostly affiliate networks and all kinds of different companies. So I just want to walk you through the platform. If you want to have a look for a job yourself, there's a link in the description down below. You can check it out. You can find a job or you can post a job for your specific company. As you can see, first of all, GrabAds, a very known affiliate network, is looking for a new affiliate manager, account manager for Propeller Ads, ClickDealer, senior sales manager for their Asia department, customer care, CodeWise, it's like Volume, Udroppy, I don't know that company, GiddyUp, I know that, media buyer for Flex. Let me see how many jobs they actually have. So let's look for a job, or you can find a job per location. So account management, 24 jobs, sales 15, affiliate manager 11, business development, other media buying, copywriters, paid search, email marketing. Let's see, full-time remote, which is very important for most people. Intern, so let's see what the intern positions are. ClickBooth and GrabAds, marketing intern and account manager intern. But what I want to know is I saw Netherlands here. So who from the Netherlands is hiring? At Vidi, Bang Media Group is looking for a sales hub manager, and Gotcha is looking for a business development manager, Nutra, and a junior affiliate manager. So as I know Gotcha really well, let's just have a look what it takes. Gotcha is extreme ambitious, looking for this, requirements, bachelor and master, fluent in English, results driven, competitive salary, PlayStation and gym. Oh, that's nice. So you can see it's very like a regular job board, only this one is completely focused on affiliate marketing. So you can find a job and then you can just basically choose whatever you're good at. Most of you maybe do affiliate manager or media buyer. And you can see there are several media buying positions open, even for Agentic here, which is also one of my good partners in what I do. Media buying, online advertising. What is it? What's the position actually? Executive marketing and online media. All right, what's the requirement? Candidate must possess bachelor, fluent experience, positive working results, must be willing to work in Harbourfront Center, Singapore. All right, which is quite a location. It's a very short overview, actually. Obviously, sales would be very interesting for most of you. Media sales, and then you get media buyer. Or am I now in the general? Oh, I'm a media buyer and sales. So you can select multiple as well. But I just want to see sales. Senior sales, Leadbit, MJ, at Vidi, AdCash, ClickBooth. Wow, We Media. All the big companies are represented basically, which is quite nice. And you can also look per company. Two jobs. So what does Vidi have? 2 jobs. Oh, Puerto Rico. Interesting. Puerto Rico office. I assume a lot of you guys would want to work there. Agentic, 2 jobs. One in Singapore and one in Sulzbach, Germany. Sales manager international. Leadbit, Propeller Ads, 1 job. MJ, 2 jobs. Yeah, you can see they all have like a couple of jobs. This actually, Gotcha has the most, 4 jobs. Amsterdam, Bangkok. This has Bangkok as well. Amsterdam, junior business development manager, Nutra. Very specific. Yeah, these have some big requirements. So you can also post a job. Let's just see how much that is. All right, here we go. Simple job, 30-day listening, sleek candidate organizer, application direct to your inbox, resume access. No featured company, no what the F promo, 200 for 1 month. It's not bad actually. If you get a lot of eyeballs on you. Enhanced job, your job, Facebook, Instagram logo, 30-day organizer. And you get basically everything except the What the F promo. Then superstar job, also 30 days with the What the F promo. I think that would basically be once. It's quite expensive, to be honest. It's not the. I would probably go for this one. If I'm hiring, I will probably do this one, and I'm hiring a lot. So if I have a specific job which I cannot find anywhere else, I will probably use this because What is a better spot? Like, this is by the creators of WhatTheF. So they have a huge audience in the digital marketing space, affiliate marketing space, and to be compared with these companies, I would be a very good status for everybody, I would say. And then you can sign in. So it's actually quite straightforward. You can find a job, find a company you want to work for, or you can post a job for as cheap as $200 a month, $400 a month, or $900 a month, where you supercharge your job. I'm looking forward to the future of this platform to see what it's going to offer, maybe some statistics on what you can get when you post and what you can get when you actually find a job. Because as you see, there are 49 jobs already available. Are you interested in any of these jobs? Click in the description down below. Hope you guys look forward to at least browsing on jobs in digital marketing, even if it's just for your own understanding of what kind of positions are available. It says digital marketing, but this is mainly the affiliate marketing, CPA marketing space. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.